indeterminate forms and L'Hopital's rule. In order to solve this indeterminate form, we will use this called the L'Hopital's rule. Now, what are those indeterminate form? If they are of the form, look, if they are of the form 0 by 0, comma, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, comma, this is 0 into infinity, comma, 0 to the power of 0, 1 to the power of infinity and etc. मतलब इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म को सॉल्व करने का तरीका है एल हॉपिटल रूल। और इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म्स कौन कौन से हैं? 0 by 0 फॉर्म, infinity by infinity फॉर्म, infinity minus infinity फॉर्म, 0 into infinity form, 0 to the power of 0 form, 1 to the power of infinity, etc. Now, in the L'Hopital rule, what we do is that limit x tending to infinity fx by gx. If when putting a here, if I get a 0 by 0 form, then what I do is that I will differentiate it again. Limit x tending to a, fx f dash x upon g dash x. Again we'll put a here and a here. Again, if I get 0 by 0 form, I'll do again a derivative. Limit x tending to a f double dash x upon g double dash x. Now again we'll put a here and a here. Again, if we get 0 by 0 form, we will again differentiate. That is limit, this is limit x tending to a f triple dash x upon g triple dash x until and unless we get some number or some number. That is g, suppose we go up to say nth derivative. Like this we are going, and we go up to nth derivative. Limit x tending to a f n x and g n x such that g n x, nth derivative of g at a is not zero. And the way you will differentiate this form, in the manner, just you will differentiate this separately, इसको देखो, अगर fx upon gx है, लिमिट x यहाँ पे a और a पुट करने से 0 by 0 आ जाता है, तो ये एक और बार डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा. When you differentiate, do not use numerator denominator rule. That is, do not write that this way. Do not write this way. Gx f dash x minus fx g dash x upon gx whole square. Do not write in this manner. Do not do differentiation in this manner. Do not do in this manner. इस तरीके से डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करना है. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर रूल नहीं लगाना है. इसको अलग से डिफरेंशिएट करना है. डिनोमिनेटर, you have to differentiate the numerator separately. You have to differentiate the denominator separately. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को अलग अलग डिफरेंशिएट करना है. यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को अलग अलग डिफरेंशिएट करना है, और तब तक करते जाना है जब तक nth डेरिवेटिव ये 0 नॉट इक्वल टू 0 आए. 0 by 0 फॉर्म नहीं होना चाहिए. Let us understand with examples. Form 0 by 0. First example is, let us take first example. Let me write question instead of writing numbers. The first question is limit x tending to 0 sin x upon x. Put 0 here, put 0 here. It is becoming 0 by 0. 0 और 0 put करने से 0 by 0 form हो रहा है. Now this will be equal to limit x tending to 0 cos x. Differentiate this and then differentiate this. The derivative of x is 1. Now put 0, so you will get 1 upon 1, and this is nothing but 1. Now let's take another question. The another question is, let us take limit x tending to 0 e to the power of x minus log 1 plus x upon x square. Now put 0, so this will become 0 by 0. 0 put करने से 0 by 0 हो जाएगा. Now differentiate this numerator को अलग से differentiate करो, denominator को अलग से differentiate करो. Differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. So this differentiation of the numerator is e to the power of x plus e to the power of x minus 1 upon 1 plus x, and chain rule it is into 1. No need to write. Into 1 chain rule लगाओगे यहाँ पे तो into 1 आएगा, इसको लिखते हैं. This is 2x. Now this is put 0. This is going to become 1 and this 1. So this is again going to become 0 by 0 form. So now limit x tending to 0 x e to the power of x plus e to the power of x plus e to the power of x plus 1 x whole square, because the derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Number of times I've told you. And this minus will become plus. That's why this is plus upon 2. Now put the limit. Now this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 2, because this will be 1 upon 1 plus x whole square will be 1 upon 1 plus 0 whole square. That is nothing but 1 upon 1. So that is nothing but 1. So it is 1. This one has come from there. वहां से वो ये 1 आया है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जब 0 पुट करोगे इस वाले में, यहाँ इस वाले फॉर्म में जब 0 पुट करोगे तो 1 plus 0 1 होगा, होल स्क्वायर 1 ही आएगा, 1 upon 1 1 आएगा, इसलिए यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, and this is going to become 3 by